Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your 2019 Camry model and current infotainment version. This matters because update packages differ. Once verified, prepare an 832 GB USB drive formatted FAT32 and copy the exact update files to its root. Make sure the car battery is above 50% or connect a charger. Otherwise, the update can fail and brick the head unit. Now insert the USB into the front USB port and power the system. The unit should detect new software automatically. You will now follow the on-screen installation flow. Once the system reads the USB, go to Settings, then System, then Software Update, and choose the USB source. This ensures the unit installs the correct package. Make sure to accept any license terms and confirm installation. This prevents interruptions. While the package installs, do not remove the USB or turn the ignition off. The process typically takes 15 to 45 minutes, depending on package size. If prompted, allow automatic reboots. Once installation completes, you should see a confirmation and the new version listed under About or System Info. Verify features work and reboot once more for stability. If the update fails, reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the exact update file, and retry. Corruption or wrong file path is the most common cause. If problems persist despite a clean USB and retry, note any error codes, record your VIN, and contact a Toyota dealer. They can flash the unit or replace software safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.